Find or read reviews that people are talking about VECHTEL wireless backup camera, 5-inch HD IPS screen. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Easy installation. The wireless backup camera system is a breeze to install. Simply connect the 5-inch display to the power supply in the cigarette lighter or wire it to the ignition. Then, pair the car camera to the tail light or another light and to the wireless antenna, and you're good to go. Stable wireless signal. This wireless backup camera for trucks features digital wireless transmission, delivering a clear and stable image without interference within a 36 feet vehicle range. IP69 waterproof and high temperature resistant. Our truck backup camera system utilizes the latest sealing technology, offering IP69 waterproof functionality, so no need to worry about water or fog entering the lens. Additionally, the camera can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, operating seamlessly in both cold and hot conditions for an easier and safer driving experience. Customizable parking grid lines and image flip. Tailor the car backup camera parking lines width by adjusting it left/right/up/down to suit real-world conditions. You also have the option to turn it off if desired. Furthermore, the image can be flipped between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view. Superior night vision. Equipped with a 150-degree viewing angle and 6 white LED lights, this truck backup camera ensures crystal clear image, providing enhanced safety for day and night driving. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.